Trust me, it's a good video.
Wait. What did you just send me?
You'll see, just watch.
Ace, don't try, please. Don't try. We can't hear you.
Also, hold on. Did Sedrice just fall asleep?
I was gonna say.
He probably did.
Yep, he's asleep.
Okay, we got ourselves another YouTube highlight.
Sleepy Sedrice.
No, that's Sedrice, you snore.
No, snoozing Sedrice.
Oh my god, it's so loud! God, what I cannot wait to see his reaction to this.
Meanwhile, I try and watch fetish video.
Watch him.
Well, basically the video is just about people just having fun with plushies and doing voices. That's all it is.
Is he still snoring?
Yeah.
Is there some way to actually,
Oh.
I think someone... Is there any way to knock him out of... Oh. What happened?